Ever wondered what could possibly be wrong with your garage door when it starts to act up? Is it the springs, the cables, or is it just in need of a little lubrication? Well, you're about to find out. Garage doors, like any other piece of machinery, can develop a range of issues over time. Whether it's a broken spring, a jammed door, or a malfunctioning opener, these problems can turn your garage door into a major safety hazard. The first step in troubleshooting a problematic garage door is to identify the root cause of the issue. It might be as simple as a door that's off its tracks, or as complex as a broken torsion spring. Once the problem has been identified, it's time to gather the necessary tools and materials. For most repairs, a set of wrenches, pliers, a screwdriver, and a sturdy ladder will be necessary. If the problem lies with the door tracks, the solution might be as simple as tightening the bolts that hold the tracks in place. If the tracks are severely damaged, however, they may need to be replaced entirely. For issues with the garage door springs, it's crucial to exercise caution. Garage door springs are under a high amount of tension, and mishandling them can result in serious injury. If a spring is broken, it's best to enlist the help of a professional. In the case of a faulty garage door opener, the issue might be with the remote, the motor, or the electrical wiring. Troubleshooting a garage door opener involves checking the batteries in the remote, examining the motor for signs of wear and tear, and inspecting the wiring for any visible damage. Now, remember the key points discussed here. First, identifying the problem is crucial. Whether it's the tracks, springs, or the opener, knowing what's wrong is the first step towards fixing it. Second, gather the necessary tools and materials. You can't fix a problem without the right equipment. Third, always exercise caution, especially when dealing with garage door springs. And finally, don't hesitate to call in a professional if the problem is beyond your skill level. So, the next time your garage door starts acting up, don't panic. With a little patience and the right tools, you can troubleshoot and fix most common garage door problems. But remember, when in doubt, it's always safer to call in the experts. After all, there's no substitute for professional expertise when it comes to ensuring the safety and functionality of your garage door.